Hello, I'm Alistair from TrouDigital, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can use our dashboard widget to securely show live data on your screens. To use our dashboard widget, simply click, drag and drop the dashboard widget onto the design canvas. It's this bar chart looking icon here. Click, drag and drop it, and when you do, you'll be prompted to choose from a number of different options. You can see at the top we have third-party apps through Tableau and Power BI. We'll have separate videos in the future covering these ones, so we're not going to go into those two in detail today. But essentially, all you need to do is log into your accounts, select the dashboard that you want to display, and you can start showing your Power BI or Tableau data on your screens. It's nice and easy. The ones that we'll be focusing on today are the dashboard gauges. So we have 6 different options to choose from. We have column chart, pie chart, progress chart, line chart, status image chart, and a gauge chart. So depending on what data you want to show, different charts will be more relevant for that data. So just select the one that best fits that. For now, we're just going to go progress chart. So we select that one, click add. You can see that's now been added to our design canvas. So like all the other widgets, we can move that around, resize it. We can add other widgets in. We can add more dashboard widgets to fully flesh out a full data dashboard. For now, we're just going to keep it very simple and just have this one in the middle here, just purely for this video. So once we have that selected, you can see on the right hand side we have a number of different options to customize this chart. For example, color palette, we have loads of different options to choose from here to meet different design requirements and branding. Obviously you're going to want to keep this content consistent with your other content, just from a professional standpoint and obviously from a branding standpoint. You have different options here as well for text and other colors, backgrounds, things like that. Just for time, we're not going to go into that today, but you can play around with those to really make sure that your dashboard fits your organization's brand guidelines. The most important thing of a data dashboard is obviously the data, as that's the thing that you'd like to visualize. So we have a few different options of how you can pull data in to this chart. So as default, it will be set to demo just to give you an idea of what that chart could look like. But to change that, simply have that widget selected, the data dashboard widget selected, head over on the right hand side to data source, click the box here, and underneath data source type you'll see a drop down. Just click that and you'll then have options for demo, API, manual and import CSV. So API will allow you to pull in data from a specific API. If you need a hand doing that, just contact our support team, we'll be more than happy to help. Manual means that you can actually input the data manually. It's not automated, but obviously gives you another option to get that data onto your dashboards. And then the last one, import CSV. So if you have maybe a Google Doc that you've turned into a CV, or an Excel spreadsheet you've turned into a CV, or a CSV, sorry, a CSV, you can import that and the data will be translated into a nice visual chart. But once you're happy with those, again, we're not going to go into each one today, just to keep things simple, but you just press OK and the data will change and be reflected on the screen. Obviously with an API, that data can be pulled in live, so as changes are made to the API and our platform picks it up, those will be reflected on your screens as well. And that's it. That's everything for now that you need to know about using data dashboards on the TrouDigital platform. If you have any questions or need a hand using them, just reach out to our support team and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.